Hello, this is Daryl with SCTC. I want to talk about some changes that we've made in how we display the schedule of our events. The changes were actually made because we made some changes in the Go catalog. So, first, I want to show you what we did there. On our home page of our website, we have a link that takes you to the Go catalog here. So, I'm going to open that. Now, this is the online version. It's a PDF file that you can download. Of course, you can always pick up a paper copy of the catalog at the Senior Center. I'm going to click on the category on the left over here for computers and technology. This takes us to page 14 in the catalog, which deals with our services. So it describes who we are and how to contact us, so on. Then we have a summary of recurring events, cell phone help, senior center tech lab every second and fourth Tuesdays. We partner with the Genealogical Society. They host an event every third Wednesday of the month. We have classes that we teach typically every Wednesday on using Zoom. We have a game day we host every Thursday, game time. We have a Zoom drop-in help session every Friday, and we can schedule personal help appointments. So we have summarized in this chart how we schedule the ongoing regular events every month, both at the Senior Center and hosted virtually on Zoom. So we have the cell phone help classes. The day is shown as the first and third Mondays, and it shows the dates coming up in March, April, and May, and the times. And that's at the Senior Center, shown in this column. Same with some drop in sessions for general computer help. Those are on the second and fourth Tuesdays, showing the dates for March, April, and May, and the times. Those are again at the Senior Center. Then the genealogical workshop, and I'll show you later that those need to be scheduled through their website. Then every Thursday we have a game time that we host at 1 to 2 p.m., and I'll show you later where those links are to join the Zoom hosted events. Then on Fridays we have a Zoom hosted drop-in help session from 1 to 2:30, and again we can set up scheduling with you for virtual one-on-one help, sometimes resulting in-person one-on-one help. So for the descriptions of the further detail on what those events involve, you can see that on page 15. And then here's our spring schedule for the Wednesday classes. This is the title of the events, the time, the date, and so on. The different descriptions that for each detail on the classes are below. So you can read those at your leisure. Again, either online like I did by going to the link for the PDF version of the catalog, or you can pick up a paper version of the catalog. So that's what we did with the catalog. So to kind of parallel with that on our website, we've tried to make it similar to how the catalog is presented in the Go catalog, or the events are presented. So on our home page, you click on the calendar icon here, and that takes you to the calendar listing of events. So I'm going to make that text a little bigger. I'm using the control key and the scroll button on the mouse to make the text bigger. So as you can see, this is really a copy of what was shown in the catalog, presented with the recurring events, when they're hosted, where they're hosted, the times, and then a listing of the spring schedule for the Wednesday classes. To make it easier for everyone to attend these sessions, this Wednesday SCTC classes link here to join Zoom is the one we use every Wednesday. So you don't have to try and remember a specific one for each week. We have the same one for every week. So it has the link that you can click on to join the meeting, or if you need the meeting ID and passcode. And if you want to dial in, you dial this telephone number here, and the meeting ID and the passcode is in a numeric format for the joining by the telephone. And then we have the Thursday meeting that is the game time, and then the drop-in labs. So hopefully that's easier for everyone to use. You don't have to register for these classes. You merely are on our email list. So if you're got the link that included the link to this video, you probably are already on the email list. If not, if you came here some other way, back on the home page, we have a link here, sign up for emails, that lets you get on our email list that we send typically a email each week listing the events of the week and then some reminders throughout the week on the event that's coming up the next day. So those are some of the changes we have made, hopefully to make things easier to use. Thanks.